Welcome you guys, welcome to Kiran Swati NEET tutorials. Now we are going to discuss about a cell theory. So what about cell theory? Who is proposed this cell theory? So two scientists, they are proposed cell theory. Who are those? Those are M.J. Schleiden and Theodor Schwann. Right? So in 1838 is 1839. Right? So these are the two scientists, they are proposed a cell theory. So Schleiden is a German botanist and Schwann is a British zoologist. Right? So M.J. Schleiden, he given some points regarding the plants. So he told that he studied about various plants. He told that all the plants, it is made up of cells. So those cells, it forms tissues in those plants. What he told that all the plants, it is composed of cells. So later the cells, it forms tissues in plants. That information it is given by Schleiden, is a German botanist in 1838. So Schwann is a British zoologist. He studied about various animals. He is also given some points. So he told that a cell, it is had a thin outer layer. The thin outer layer, it is called as a plasma membrane. So that information it is given by Schwann. So what he given information? Cells had a thin outer layer. So what is that layer? That is a plasma membrane or a cell membrane. So along with this is also given some information. So cell wall, it is a characteristic feature of plant cells. So that information also it is given by Schwann. So cell wall, it is a characteristic feature of plant cells. And along with this, he told that both plants as well as animals, so those are a composite of cells and product of cells. What he told that? So he told that both plants and animals, so these are composite of cells and product of cells. So these 3 points it is given by Schwann. Schleiden, it is given by this information. Right? So these are the two scientists, they are proposing cell theory, but these are the two scientists, they given not information about how the cells are originated. So they given information about cells, but they are not given information about so how the cells are originated. So later another scientist, who is that scientist? So that scientist name is Rudolf Virchow. Rudolf Virchow in 1855. So up to now these are the two scientists, they given not information about how the cells are originated. So later the final shape of cell theory is given by Rudolf Virchow. He told that omnicellular and e-cellular. So what he told that? He told that omnicellular and e-cellular means all the cells are arising from a pre-existing cells. So how the cells are originated? From pre-existing cells only cells are originated. right? So he given a final shape of a cell theory. So cell theory, and finally, so cell theory is given information. What information it is given in cell theory? So that is all the cells, all the organisms composed of cells and product of cells. So all the organism, it is having a cells, and those are products of those cells, and all the cells are arising from a pre-existing cells. So this information it is given by Rudolf Virchow. Right? So it is a final shape of cell theory. So that final shape of cell theory it is given by Rudolf Virchow. Sladen and Schwann, they are not given information about so how the cells are originated, right? So I hope it is helpful for you guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.